Identify and perform reflections. Vocabulary. Reflection is a flip. When you flip a shape over a line of reflection to face the opposite direction. In 8th grade, we reflect over the y-axis and we also reflect over the x-axis. This says to reflect the triangle across the y-axis, which is this one right here. And then we're going to write our new coordinates. So I'm going to start with A, and I'm going to go toward my y-axis. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then I'm going to go 4 more. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, let me get a marker because for some reason I am not using a marker. Okay, so again, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and that is A, which is 4, positive 2. So we're going to say 4, and then up, positive 2. Now let's do B. 1, 2, 1, 2. So this is B, which is positive 2, positive 2. Okay. And now let's look at C. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Be careful when you're naming that coordinate. That is 3 and 0 because it went over 3 before it stood still at 0. Now here's another one. Triangle ABC is graphed on the coordinate plane below. Determine the coordinates of B prime after a reflection over the x-axis. But all they want is B, so let's concentrate on that. Here is your x-axis. It's labeled here, but you got to make sure you know what it is just in case it's not labeled somewhere else. So it says B prime, so let's start with B. We're going to go 1 to the x-axis, and we are going to reflect 1 over it. So that means my coordinates for B prime are -1, -1. Okay? All right, let's go on to the next one. Look at that beautiful swan. The photo above shows a swan swimming in a lake and their image on the surface of the water. If you notice their image, it is flipped over. When something flips, it is definitely a reflection. Okay, so I'm going to write reflection. And yes, that is a swan. I think somebody else thought it was some other kind of bird, but I can't remember what kind of bird they thought it was. So it is a swan. All right, that's a reflection. And there I have to stop again.